Hello everyone. Today we will cover the topic of heating effect of electric current. What do you mean by the heating effect of electric current? When electric current passes through a conductor, after some time it gets heated. This is what is meant by heating effect of electric current. Now we will discuss what is the reason behind the heating effect of electric current. We know who are the charge carriers in an electric conductor? Yes, free electrons. The path of free electrons from one cross section of the conductor to the other is not that much easy. When the electron pass from one cross section to another, they suffer a lot of collisions. So they collide with the ions, they collide with the other electrons, so that for every collision they lose some amount of energy. So what all energy the electrons lose is getting manifested as heat in the conductor. A great scientist, James Prescott Joule, has found out that there is some relation connecting the amount of heat that is produced in a conductor, and his law is called the Joule's heating law. So now we are going on to the Joule's heating law. It's given in your textbook. It's a statement, so it has to be written as such. So the Joule's heating law states that the amount of heat developed in a conductor is directly proportional to the square of the current passing through it, and it is proportional to the resistance of the conductor for a given current, and it is proportional to the time for which the current is passed in the conductor. So, once again to repeat, the amount of heat developed in a conductor is proportional to the square of the current. So, H is proportional to I square for a given conductor or a resistor. And heat is again proportional to the resistance of the resistor or conductor, and heat is proportional to the time for which the current is maintained in the conductor. So actually this was a law which is derived purely from experiment. So when we club it together, we can write the Joule's heating law as I squared RT. So even though there is a theoretical explanation for this, Joule has derived this on the basis of the experiment he has done. So what is the mathematical statement which is equal to the Joule's heating law? It is H is equal to I squared RT. So a simple question comes to you. In a particular resistance, when the current is doubled, what happens to the heat? When the current is doubled, instead of I, we will get 2I. So 2I the whole square. Instead of I, we will get 2I the whole square. So what is introduced is 4. 2 square is 4. 4I squared RT. This is the new heat developed. So the heat will be 4 times. Such type of multiple choice questions may be asked to you. When the resistance is doubled, what happens to the heat? Heat is doubled. When the time is doubled, what happens? The heat is doubled. When the current is made 3 times, what happens? It becomes 3I the whole square. So it will become 9 times. I hope you have got it. Thank you.